You will love this ocean grey 2011 Nissan Altima, equipped with a 4-cylinder engine and an automatic transmission. Enjoy an exceptional 32 miles to the gallon on this great car with features like windows, rear defogger, windows, front wipers, speed-sensitive, windows, lockout button, windows, front wipers, variable intermittent, power windows, with safety rubber SE, suspension, front spring type, coil springs, one-touch windows, 1 seats, front seat type, bucket, fixed rear headrests, vanity mirrors, dual, security, anti-theft alarm system with engine, immobilizer, seat belts, seatbelt pretensioners, front, tachometer, and much more. Enjoy the drive and have peace of mind in this 2011 Nissan Altima. See us at Edison Nissan today.